Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's see what's going on with VeChain today because overall the crypto market has been a little bit, down. But as we know, VeChain has been it's been just, still in this symmetrical triangle. And that's what we want to see, just trade in this triangle format, okay? And I see a lot of YouTubers, covering this symmetrical triangle formation now. I noticed this pattern, you can just go check my videos about, I would say something like a month ago. But now within this pattern, as I told you in my previous video, this yellow line, the support line is very important for VeChain because I know that I explained this, that we are forming, you can see this pattern, okay? And you can see the rejection it got from this resistance, okay? Now you can also see it came here. Now it's trying to just, like it's trying to come, even if it touches this red support line, okay? That's fine. But I really would not like to see VeChain break this, okay? And this red support line, because this is basically giving me an indication that it is gonna come out of this, the whole structure that it has formed for itself, okay? And it's a very bullish structure because it is in an uptrend and then it's making this pattern. So it's a continuation pattern, basically, that's how these patterns work. So I would really like to see VeChain hold this major support, okay? Because even if you go in the weekly time frame and you bring out your RSI, you can see that even in the RSI, it's giving you an indication that it is bouncing off this support. You can see it as previously came in as a support and it has bounced off every time it hit it. So I would really like to see VeChain do this, and you will see the same for the RSI. So a little bit of confidence can really make things happen for VeChain because Bitcoin at the moment, it's really trying to decide where it wants to go, and a decision is going to be coming very soon, okay? It could be maybe by tomorrow or this week, something will happen either to the upside or to the downside. But it is in this pattern, and I think it's a bullish pattern. I would like to see VeChain just hold this because look over here, if you just zoom in, okay, you can see the 100 moving average right on this red support line. And plus we have this yellow support line. So we have a lot of support in this area. So if VeChain can hold this support, and let's say it has found its bottom, then obviously then you will see this move. Because I'm not a financial advisor, but I personally bought some over here, okay? Because I thought it was a really good price to get for accumulation, okay? So see, if VeChain, let's say this is the bottom, it has found its bottom, and the support really came into play here, then obviously it's going to come here, tackle the 55 moving average, and then the 20 moving average in the weekly, okay? And just break this white resistance. And what is that white resistance line? Let me show you. This white resistance line is basically you're going to break this left shoulder, okay? Look at this. Let me take off the indicators. You can see it better. See, this is the head, and this is a potential right shoulder, okay? Like that, okay? If you break this resistance, you have broken this left shoulder, and then this pattern, bearish head and shoulder pattern is invalid, okay? And then a breakout. It will come all the way to at least 15 cents. And you can see how beautifully this pattern is playing out, okay? And see, look, you break this white resistance line, break it. Oh, whoops, sorry. Let's say you break this and then you move up all the way. See, you hit here, okay? Because this is the bigger resistance, okay? And you're exactly coming to this uh, left shoulder, okay? Now, even if we come over here, okay? If we unable to break this, okay? We can come back, test it, and then come and break it like that, okay? But that will only happen if we hold this as support, the red support line and the yellow support line. That's going on for VeChain. If you come in the daily time frame, let me show you something. At the moment, what VeChain is trying to do, okay? A lot of these bearish head and shoulder patterns, uh, it's trying to form. But if you come in the 4-hourly and just zoom out, okay? You can see in the 4-hourly time frame, when VeChain was here, it created a double bottom and then went up, okay? And you can see it had a price target. So from here to here, it went a little bit above, but that was the price target for the double bottom, okay? Then it came down, created another double bottom, but it failed to break this resistance. At the same time, it's creating higher lows, okay? So if we can hold this and, just do something like this, okay? And then just break it again. We will come all the way over here, okay? Because again, it's still gonna have this technical target. You see, wherever we break out from, okay? Same goes for the downside. And see, if we break to the downside, we're gonna come, where is it touching? Okay, see, you see what I mean? It's gonna touch this, come very close to the yellow line, this support. If we break to the upside, you can see it's gonna come and touch this white line. So this structure is actually making a lot of sense to me, okay? Because even the price targets are touching all the resistance and the support, okay? Even if we come and break this, okay? Then you will see a lot of volume come in as well for VeChain, because I know that VeChain had some good news recently. They're launching their stable coin. So that's a plus point. But in the daily time frame now, let me show you something. In the daily time frame, you can see the 20 moving average. It's coming very close to the price action, okay? And this is going to be a challenge now, okay? If we can just get above this yellow moving, the 20 moving average, then that's going to be great. But if the 20 moving average comes in as a resistance and forces the price down, then you might break this support, okay? We want to just have some volume come in and break it. That can happen if Bitcoin can move a little bit towards the upside. See, over here, let me show you, okay? See, over here, whenever we went above, the price sailed along the moving averages. Right over here, it came above the 20 moving average, the price sailed above it, okay? So you can see how the 20 moving average is above right now. We want the price to get above it, okay? That's going to be bullish. If that happens, you already know we're going to come and touch this white line, which is sitting at, let's see, about 9, close to 10 cents, okay? So, well, that's it for VeChain, but overall market is in a panicky situation. But overall, if this pattern plays out, okay, if this pattern plays out, okay, let's say we do break this white line, then your target is right over here, okay, this red resistance line, okay? Wherever it goes, 15 cents, I would say, okay? And if it plays out in this fashion, then you do have a long-term price target, which is right over here, wherever. I'm just gonna do it from the apex, 35 cents, if it plays in this fashion. Now, if we just take this line off, okay, you can see, and just take this off. This video is getting a little bit longer, but I just want to do this really quick. You know, this was the previous resistance. Remember when it broke out from here, but it came right back in, okay? So now that's how this pattern made this. It's trying to make this bearish head and shoulders. Look, like that, okay? So we need to break this resistance in order to get over here, okay? This is going to be very bullish if it can break this wide resistance line. But yeah, overall, I think I'm really bullish with the VECHAIN, and hopefully, you know, if the market can get some confidence back and, you know, just sail to the upside, then good things are coming for VECHAIN, because you can see over here, one indication I can give you, this RSI support line is very important for VECHAIN, okay? And even if you go in the stochastic RSI, you can see we have bottomed out, okay? And let's take and you can see the blue line has crossed the red line, so that's a bullish sign. What we want to see is just, you know, some momentum kicks in and we can sail to the upside, because RSI is also bottomed out at this support line. We just want to see the volume pick up. Volume is very dead, okay? But overall, this is what it is for VECHAIN. I'm just, you know, hoping. If you go to the monthly time frame, let me show you something really quick. In the monthly time frame, let's hide all the drawings. You can clearly see it's sitting right over here at the 20 moving average. See, monthly is looking bullish. The only time you would know maybe a bear market, I don't know if this bear market is coming or not, but if you break this 20 and go to the downside, then yeah, probably, you know, the market might go in like a downtrend, okay? But overall, you're above the 20 moving average in the monthly, so that's still bullish. Even in the weekly, you can see that you're above the 100 moving average, okay? Like same way you were over here, then you went up, okay? So a lot of, I mean, indications, all you need to do is hold these moving averages in order to move to the upside, okay? But thank you guys, have a good day. I know this video is a bit longer than the usual videos. So yeah, guys, thank you. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.